In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create an instance of the Watson Conversation service. First, let's navigate to Bluemix.net. Here, we come to the Bluemix landing page. If you don't already have a Bluemix account, press the Create a Free Account button. Once you have an account, log in. You're now presented with your Bluemix dashboard. If this is your first time using Bluemix, you won't have any apps or services. Let's go ahead and create our own service instance for Watson Conversation. To see the list of services, press the Catalog link. Here, we'll see a number of services provided by Bluemix. From the left-hand menu, let's click Watson to filter on the Watson services. Here, we see a list of the available Watson services. Let's choose Watson Conversation. This page provides details about the service and also allows us to customize options like the service name and the pricing plan. We're going to choose the free plan. It only allows for 3 workspaces in 25 Intense, but that's plenty for the purpose of this example. Let's go ahead and create the service. Now we see the conversation landing page. There are a couple things to make note of. First, there's the Service Credentials tab. Here, you can view your credentials. You'll see the API URL, your username and password. This information can be used to connect your application to the service, whether that application lives in Bluemix or outside of Bluemix. One of the great things about Watson Conversation is that it provides excellent tooling. This allows you to do quite a bit with Watson Conversation without writing a line of code. Each conversation service instance, like the one we created here, allows you to create multiple different conversations, where each conversation lives in its own workspace. Let's create a workspace for our conversation. Click the Create Workspace button. Now assign a name to our conversation. Notice that Watson Conversation supports a number of different languages. We'll stick with English. Press the Create button to create the workspace. With the workspace created, we can now use the tooling to create new intents, entities, and dialogue. We'll see this in more detail in future labs. Congratulations! We just created our first Watson Conversation service instance and populated it with a new conversation workspace.